Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your HONOR Earbuds to Lite. So, to enter prank mode, firstly you need to open the charging case. Now, do not remove your earbuds from the case. At the right side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking white. So press and hold. And now we have white LED light. So we enter to prank mode. And now we can check if we see them at the device list. So go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices. If you have Android, you need to click pair new device button, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just enter to the Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, we have them. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!